friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So today's video is going to be on my monthly favorites, like products which I have loved in the past month. I personally like filming such videos because I love watching other YouTubers share their monthly favorites. Like, it's fun to watch what they have been loving in the past month. You get to discover new products, so I just find it really interesting to watch. So I have a bunch of products to share with you guys, like skincare and makeup products. Also, the sun is setting, so the lighting is going to fluctuate a bit, but I apologize for that. I really wanted to film this as soon as possible. So if you want to know what are my monthly favorites, then please keep on watching. So starting with skincare first, this product has become my holy grail product. Like, I am in serious love with this product. I am not like exaggerating, but this is really amazing. This is the Forest Essential Facial Uptan. This is the Roop Nikhar Gulab. First of all, the packaging is so pretty. I love all their products. Their packaging is so elegant and luxurious. There are different Uptans in their range depending on your skin needs. You could also customize the Uptan at the store. So when I was at the store, I got this, and I also got a sample of the Saundarya Facial Uptan, and it was like a tiny sample. It was a decent size which I could use like for a week. And it's basically a powder. Let me just show you. So I'm not going to bend this totally, else it's going to spill. So it's basically like a powder, like a loose powder. It's just a blend of different natural ingredients, and this one is rose, so it smells so much like roses. And what you do is you mix this with either rose water, milk, or aloe vera juice, and make it like a nice paste, and then use it to cleanse your face. Now this can get a little messy. I'm sure not many are going to like using such a cleanser on a daily basis, because you have to, like, take 2-3 steps to actually start cleansing your face. But I use this with my Patanjali Gulab Gel, and it works really so good on my skin. Like, my skin just feels so good. I used the Saundarya one before, like the sample which I got, and just like in 2 uses, my skin was looking so beautiful, guys. Like, it felt so smooth, so glowy, and it just felt so good and bright and fresh. Like, I'm just in love with this cleanser. I don't mind taking extra minutes to cleanse my face, and it actually says that a fresh rose petal based formulation for a porcelain smooth glowing skin. Regular use leaves the complexion soft and glowing with a radiant sheen, and it exactly does what it says. But definitely do check this out. I highly recommend this. So the next skincare product has again just become such a favorite of mine. This is the Body Shop Drops of Youth cream. So sometime back I wasn't really taking good care of my skin because I was running out of my daily moisturizer, and I felt lazy as to not apply good moisturizer. My skin started getting really dry and dehydrated, and that's when I decided it's high time I buy a new moisturizer. I love the Drops of Youth range. I had their serum, and I love that serum a lot. So I decided to go for this because this one is like a day and night cream. So it says instantly skin feels fresh, nourished, softer, and appears smoother. Day after day, the pores and skin texture look refined, lines appear minimized, skin unveils a healthy luminosity and a youthful bounce. Now, I don't have fine lines or something, but I do have pores, and my skin, as I said, was all dry and not feeling good. So I started using this, and like, as I said, I applied this during my night time, and the next morning, I am not joking, guys, my skin was so plump, so soft, like baby soft, just looked so glowy. I am not kidding, guys. This cream is magic. It's so amazing, and if you can see, you can probably tell that I have used a lot of it already. Like, I use this day and night, so it has a very nice scent to it, very refreshing. So at night time, I mix a little bit of this with my Oils of Life facial gel. I love that equally. That's a good cream as well, but this one is slightly better than that. It just seriously makes you look very youthful. It day by day, it definitely makes the skin texture really smooth. Like, your pores are really minimized. I think it's the combination of this Uptan and this cream. They're just like doing wonders to my skin. Also, let me know if you want me to do like a skincare routine video or my Pampers skincare routine video. Let me know if you're interested to watch something like that. Moving on to makeup, the first product that I want to show you guys is this NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in the shade Warm Neutrals. I showed this in my Nykaa haul video, and ever since I have been using this every single time. Like, I've already used this in 2 of my recent tutorials, which I will link down below. But this palette is so beautiful. Like, I always reach out to this lately. It has such beautiful shades, especially the last 2 rows are like my favorite. I have all of these shades on my eyes right now, like in my crease and on my lid. All the shades are from this palette. I think this palette is perfect if you like warm neutral shades, as it says. Also, if you're a beginner and you're looking for a good all-in-one palette, I think this is really good. The shimmers are not that great as compared to the mattes. I love the mattes in this palette. Like, let me just swatch a few of them. I have done all the swatches in my Nykaa haul video, so you could check that out. So these are the 2 matte shades. Let me show it you. So these are the 2 mattes. They are just stunning. So this one is the shimmer and these 3 are the matte shades, but they all are really very pretty. Highly recommend this. Next product is this L'Oreal bronzer. This is the Glam Bronze in the shade 102 Brunette Harmony, and this bronzer is really good. I have it on my face right now. I like bronzing my face a lot. The highlighter though is not my favorite. I don't like the highlighter so much. But this bronzer, let me just swatch it on the back of my hand for you guys. Like, if you have been watching my videos, you know that I love my Body Shop Brush on Bronze, but that's like a more shimmer bronzer. When I want like a nice satin matte bronzer, I have been reaching out for this a lot. This is like perfect for so many Indian skin tones. I don't know if they have another shade in this, but I just saw this particular shade at the store. But this bronzer is really pretty. It's very easy to blend. It is not too powdery. It just looks beautiful on the face. So the last product is going to be what's on my lips today. I'm sure some of y'all had been wondering what is the lipstick that I'm wearing, and it is the Colourpop Chili Ultra Matte lipstick. I wore this in my recent video, which was like a review on the new L'Oreal Matte Foundation. I will link that down below. And there were quite a number of people who asked me which lipstick I was wearing, and it is this one, the Colourpop Ultra Matte Chili. I am in love with this lip shade. At first I wasn't sure if I'm gonna like it because I felt it was a bit too dark for my taste, but I think it looks stunning. I just love this lip color. I know some of them don't like the ultra matte formula, but I think if you have moisturized your lips really well, it is really comfortable. I love the Colourpop Ultra Matte lips. They are really comfortable, really long wearing, and they have such a wide range of colors. I got this on mindbeautydetails.co.in. I will list their website down below. They do offer a lot of different brands, and they have like all original products, so you can purchase it from them. I got it from them. So guys, these were all my favorites. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you all did, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll meet you soon in my next video. Bye bye.